As a student or as a working professional, you may want to work on Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint for creating documents or spreadsheets or presentation, but you don't want to pay for the license fees, which can cost you about $100 to $200, or about 7,000 rupees if you are in India, or about 5,000 rupees annually. So you want to save that cost. So how will you do that? There is a free alternative called LibreOffice, which is available for free. So you can just download that from libreoffice.org. It's spelled as LibreOffice. And once you have downloaded the software, you can just run the installer, install it, and you can just get going. It won't cost you anything. And now we will just learn how to download that and how to install it and how it looks like. So first of all, you have to Google LibreOffice, LibreOffice, and if you will do that, you will be shown this kind of page wherein there will be multiple hits. You just have to click on download LibreOffice. So click on it, and you will be shown different options of operating systems and the versions. So it is showing us Mac OS as pre-selected because it can detect the operating system, but in case it is not, you can just select the relevant one for your need and click on the download. And once you have clicked on the download, it will take a while to download the installer, and you can just click on OK to proceed with the downloading process. And also it will show you this donation page. Just in case, if LibreOffice is helping you, you can just donate any kind of money. So that's optional, and it will take a while to download the installer, a few seconds or 2 minutes depending on how fast is your internet. Once that is done, double click on the installer file which you have downloaded, and it will open that installer file. And then you can just drag this icon of LibreOffice to applications. In Windows, you have to go through the installation process, which is again very simple and straightforward process, or even in Linux it is very straightforward process. So you just drag the icon to applications in Mac OS X, and it will take a few seconds to copy the files to the destination. So by default, we keep all the applications in the applications folder in Mac OS. So that is how we do it, and it will take a few seconds. So let's wait for that. Now that the file has copied, you can just go to Spotlight and open the LibreOffice. It may ask for the permission. You can just click on OK, open, and now we will see the LibreOffice dashboard for the first time. And we can see we have the different options. One is a writer document, another one is calc spreadsheet, and another one is impress document. So basically this is the writer one, used for creating Word documents or any document whatsoever. It resembles very much like Microsoft Word. LibreOffice Calc resembles very much like Microsoft Excel, which is used for creating the spreadsheets. And as you can see, it looks very much similar to Excel. Most of the functions will be similar to that of Excel, so you don't have to learn everything over, because those will be just usable over here in LibreOffice Calc. And the another one is LibreOffice Impress, which is the replacement of PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and used for creating presentations. It is not very fancy, but it does all the needful work. So these were the three important components of the LibreOffice suite.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.